Hi everyone, it's Catherine Grill. I'm the CEO and one of the founders of Neolth, and I'm here today to show you the different types of guided practices and activities that we have on the Neolth app. So I'm going to jump right in and share my screen. Now in our practices section on Neolth, we have a practice library, and there are lots of different guided activities from doctors and therapists that will walk you through step by step how to build up different skills, how to do relaxation activities. There's a lot of things that you can do. You can use the filters on the side to sort for different activities. And right now I'm going to walk you through some of our written activities. So journaling, these are written activities, but they're all guided. So if you want and you're kind of doing a diary or doing journaling, you can do that as a self-care tracking feature. But these journaling activities here, if you click into them, they're actually going to have prompts and walk you through step by step how to do this activity. So you can see here some directions, some different questions that you can ask kind of step by step. And you can even see at the bottom the doctor or the therapist who created that activity. You can type your thoughts right in here. And then when you click finish, it'll save that activity and save your thoughts. So those are our journaling activities, again, written. They walk you through step by step how to do those activities. The CBT, or cognitive behavioral therapy, those are similar. Those are going to be written exercises from a doctor, from a therapist. The best part of today, I'll show you, that's a pretty popular one. Some of them are a little bit shorter, but you can go right in and just see how to do this exercise. So for this one, you would just write down the favorite part of your day. You can do it at the beginning of the day. You can do it at the end of the day, whenever you want. What was the favorite part about your day? And you can even write this down and put post-it notes around your house as little reminders when you start to feel stressed out or sad. There's something that you have coming up that you can look forward to. So these exercises can be short. They can be anywhere between 2 minutes or 20 minutes for some of the longer activities, but you'll see that, again, written, guided, and they walk you through step by step how to do them. So that's how you do some of our written activities here on the Neolth app, and we hope you enjoy them.